Oh, there's probably this really big snake right over here. That's an African python, if you like to call this one money. Pythons have been known to grow up to 30 feet long, and they've also been known to swallow children. I need to stop at my cam right over here. So we're just going to stop and pick up a piece of... Oh boy, what a time for the in-laws to drop in. Well, you know, earlier today I couldn't get that Jeep started, but it looks like they finally got it to turn over for me. And it changed river into once again. It's the Nile River, and the Nile is the longest river in the world at over 4,000 miles long. Alright, up there, that's an African elephant. You can tell an African elephant by those large blonde ears and enormous tusks. Those ears have been known to weigh up to 110 pounds each. They can hear sounds at 2.5 miles away. Everybody probably heard his friend right over here. I want everybody to watch this neat little trick I taught this one. Speak. Louder. Now spray everybody on the boat. I'm just kidding. If you look off to the left, you won't see a thing, so don't look over there. And off to the right, that's a really big rock. So the rocks around here are sandstone, so please don't take them for granite. Over here is the African belt. This is where wildebeest, giraffes, and koala, and zebras come down to the water station for a drink. But unfortunately, not all of those will be returned to their herds. That's right, Lions, we'll see to that. After the conservation laws of the jungle, that is survival of the fittest. Right up here, this group is at Buttermilk on the jungle. This one big fat African rhino runs faster than a safari on foot. Even though you wait 2.5 times, that rhino can outrun a horse. Those guys didn't believe me, but it looks like they're probably going to disappoint in the end. There's also crocodile country, so please keep all arms and hands outside the boat. A large one off to the right here is old Smiley. Smiley used to charge our boats, but now he's over 100 years old, so he just lies on the beach looking for a handout. There's some other dangers here on the river. The waterfalls like the one in front of us can be extremely dangerous. One in front of us. Oh, ladies and gentlemen, you might want to hang on. I really don't think we're going to be able to make this turn. Oh, it doesn't look like we're going to make it. Look out, everybody. Look out. Bad boy, that was really... I have you smell danger. Oh, I definitely smell danger in the form of this hippo pool up here. Those mighty, friendly-looking creatures, but those large teeth can't cover a man's arm in one bite. And they also like to charge and overturn boats like ours. In fact, in the last week, 6 of our boats have been sunk in this area. But don't you worry, because only 5 of those were mine. Looks like we got a couple of chargers here. You might want to plug your ears in and try and scare them off. Keep your eye on this one. He seems to have a cold today. Guns might scare off hippos, but they attract other dangers like this native warrior party. These guys are extremely dangerous headhunters. You can just ask my last group of passengers right over there. Well, you might notice they're dancing in circles. They haven't learned to square dance yet. Well, they do like to attack from this ridge on the right, so please keep your eyes open and let me know if you see anything. It's pretty quiet. Oh, it's a bunch from the left. Everybody get down, get down, get down! To get hit with a spear, you definitely don't want to throw it back. Otherwise, you'll just be stuck with it. Change River Dane Mountains for the very last time. This is the Mekong River in Southeast Asia, deep in the heart of Cambodia. Southeast Asia was once ruled by the Khmer Empire for over 7 centuries here because that is a brand new entrance to this temple. Hey, since I've never been in here before, I'm around. Hey, never heard to find in a temple like this. It could be treasure, it could be trouble, or it could even be a dead end. big showers. Speaking of showers, looks like we're going to get our own right up here. These elephants have a tendency to be a little bit playful, so you might want to keep your eye on that one. It's the old elephant squeeze later. Here too, look out there. Now he's going down for his reload. We're going to make a run for it, Battle Lake. We're going to make it fast. He's coming back up. Look out the back. Look out, look out. Oh boy, what a bunch of exciting people. Well, there is one more person I want everybody to meet here in this wonderful jungle of ours. I see this gentleman up here on the left. He is our friend in the jungle, and his name is Chief Nami. And we're all extremely proud of the Chief because he just got a promotion to head salesman. But as you can tell, his business is shrinking. Yeah, I know. Anyway, it looks like it's going to be time for the most dangerous part of our journey, and that would be your return to the Magic Kingdom streets. Oh, if everybody had a good time, it's hard to contain your excitement, ladies and gentlemen. Please try.